Next, we'd like to talk about product eligibility. That's a section of the DAC system that allows you to control authorizations and exclusions of certain products to certain customers. This patch involved that we're talking about right now has to do with a newly added ability to define things down at an item level and how they reacted. We also added customer number as a scope from the other side. So the customer side and the item side, and then something to do, authorize or exclude at different levels. That's what it's about. But at item level, there was some unpredictability in how it got applied, and we revised the sequence in which the eligibility records were applied. And so what that looks like, just for people unaware of that part, and let's see if I can pull that up on my screen here. All right, here we go. So product eligibility and the navigation to get there was on the other panel. So let's just go back to that. 320.13. And basically you can set up some combination of who it applies to and what products are involved, and then what that status ought to be as far as the authorization code. And a list of what the codes mean is down here. Authorized, not authorized, but printed in the book. That way they're not authorized, but they may want to take that product on, and so forth. You understand authorization probably better than I do. But by state, by tax jurisdiction, by corporate, and then in recent times, customer scope was added in on top of corporate so that you could do things different for one particular customer within a chain or a set of customers. And then category, sales class, product class, item number, and then vendor as an extra little kicker qualifier in there, and then what the results would be. But basically the patch involved making it work better when you define things at an item level. There was some randomness in how things were applied, which is not good, and that has been corrected. So that's basically what we wanted to talk about in this piece.